Welcome to SHOT Show 2026.
Hey, what's up YouTube? We're here at SHOT Show 2026 Day 1. This is the Supplier Showcase. Let's go check it out.
Supplier Showcase has something special for you. Make your way up to the level by Supplier Showcase. We have the SHOT
What am I looking at here? Is this hydro dipped?
This is all anodized.
Wow, that is neat.
Way different, yeah.
I have not seen this type of anodization before. Who are you guys?
Arnold's Metal Finishing in Texas.
All right.
We go from one-off to big batches.
Okay.
We go from simple colors all the way to crazy. This is actually a distressed enhanced nipple. Yeah. This guy that makes the AKs.
Sort of. Yeah, it might catch.
Our vendors.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I forgot about that.
We do that, but not much more.
Water cooled.
FALs.
Yeah, like the old, not the Lewis gun, what was the gun that the Brits used?
The Maxim?
Yeah, they used to pee on it to pull it down.
Yeah, I mean, this is modeled after 1917.
Gotcha.
Okay. So you have the barrel down here. This is full of water. There's no pumps.
Gotcha.
There's a tube up in the top called the steam tube. Okay, and that steam tube, the water level is going to be about here. So as the water starts to boil, steam is going to rise to the top.
Right.
It goes into the holes in the steam tube. The steam comes down through this tube, which terminates about here, and then it comes down here, and the steam exits through this. So you'll have a hose. You don't have to use the hose, but if you don't have a hose, the steam is going to
Come out.
bellow out of there.
Right, like a steam engine.
Right? Normally this hose would go to a bucket of water that's like half full, and the bubbles will come out in the water and condense back into water instead of steam, and at which point you have boiled off some of the water, you would open this up and pour it back in, or use that for your coffee and all that stuff they like to talk about, right? So the water, assuming it's regular water, water boils at 212 degrees. Water does not get any hotter, no matter how much heat you put into it, it still is 212 degrees. Now if it's salt water or antifreeze or something, it raises or lowers the temperature. But your barrel will not become hotter than 212 degrees as long as it's under the water. And this is still a DI gun. It has a gas block and a gas tube. So on a normal AR, the gas tube is like the fuse. It always melts first, right? So in this, the gas tube is underwater too. So all of that stuff is cooled or radiating its energy, right? So, assuming the water doesn't get down to here, it's still going to be under the water, in which you should, fill it up again. So in a real 1917, those are 30-06, and they run 250 round belts of 30-06. In a real 1917, it takes 7 250 round belts to start the water boiling.
Wow.
Okay, it's much more than people think. And so this is a little 5.56. You've got a lot of water capacity in here. This water jacket is actually almost the same exact size as on a real 1917.
Wow. It's got some weight to it, and no water right now, right?
It's not an assaulter's weapon.
All right, this is going to be on a mounted deal.
Tripod,
How much more is it going to weigh when we put the water in?
I don't know right off the top of my head.
Understood. Wow, that is cool. Can print suppressors? What kind of material are we working with?
Well, that's going to be titanium. So this is like $1.25, and this is like $200. So big difference.
To print?
Yeah.
Okay.
Laser
sintering powder kind of deal, titanium powder, and then you.
Correct.
Very cool.
Yep. So we brought this whole build plate. We put like 40 on the plate.
Oh, you make like 40 at once.
40 at once.
Wow. That's cool.
I think it took a couple of days to print.
Yeah.
Then you machine off the bottom, and these are still on there. Saw them off on the bottom.
Yeah.
And then they'll go in for any post machining, threading, surface finish, surfacing, drill top holes. It's
very
ready to go to the consumer. This can only be made via additive manufacturing.
Yeah, there's no way you could have machined that in the past.
Physically impossible.
And this is a flow-through design?
Correct. So typically these are machined, but they're multiple parts, but they don't give you the type of suppression quality that you can do with metal printed parts. Because you can add a lot more channels and vents to it.
These scanners are
BLT is the technology, bright laser technology.
Is that porting? Is it going to be inside a sleeve, or is this the finished product here?
This is the finished product.
Wow.
On this one. Yeah.
That is freaking cool, man.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. That is awesome.
Customers love it. I mean,
very cool. Very cool.
Protection.
Yep.
Like from knife stabbings. You know, it's like a metallic mesh.
Right.
So for like bodyguards, just to wear something like that.
And that's stab proof?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
It's very thin. Very thin and very light.
And it's titanium.
That's titanium.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
This is printed with the same technology as the.
Yep.
So it's a sintered laser deal where you got powder and then you shoot the laser at the powder and it hardens into the. Cool.
Correct.
Cool.
Yeah, bright laser technology from GoEngineer.
So yeah, we came with all sorts of. Yeah, that's interesting. Do you like the weight on that?
That's what I've been telling you the whole time. Like, you can chuck it inside.
Yeah, we need to custom create one of those for you. Because they come polished, which is nice, but then you're going to scratch it and all that. At least the engraving will hide a scratch.
Smoke while I drink, social smoking habit. I get home and I want to kill myself.
We basically are sourcing firearms parts kits from various sources, whether it's auctions, seizures, whatever. We then process them, assign them a SKU, list them on our website, and sell them to customers, basically. What's unique about us, unlike some other parts outfits, when you order this parts kit, that's the exact kit you're getting. We're not going to send you a Ziploc bag with a similar kit. You're purchasing that. Once it's gone, it's gone. So these are one-of-a-kind kits. You know, we may get more Mini 14s in the future, but it'll never be this one. As far as people needing to rehab existing firearms, people interested in building or creating, we have a great, a user and customer base.
Fantastic.
People are able to, make projects come true, and we're happy to help them.
Very cool, very cool.
Yep.
Here's your card.
At Cornell Forge, top 8, #1 in forgings for the gun market.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Very cool. So what manufacturers would we find your products in?
I cannot tell you who we forge for.
Understood, okay. No
Large
worries.
OEMs, how's that?
That sounds good. Pretty limited. Pretty awesome, huh?
Oh, barrels.
Titanium nitride is the gold color.
Okay.
Yeah. That is our Extros and aluminum titanium nitride. It's kind of a slate gray,
Right on, very cool.
And our rose gold is our Variante.
Awesome.
Then we have a little bit of a more grayish color called a crystal.
So you got some bench-made stuff. Do you just supply direct to them?
We supply the knife grade steels to them. So these are some samples of some of the manufacturers that are using our steel.
Excellent, excellent. So that's a wrap for 2026 Day 1 SHOT Show. There's a lot of cool stuff. How much do you want to shoot that water-cooled AR upper, huh? That thing's awesome. Oh look, people who are more organized than me. Impressive. Anyway. Yeah, I would, that would be cool as heck, wouldn't it? If you're shooting an FRT, a lot of times, you're shooting, so you go to take one to the range, you got a few mags already loaded up. You're going to be, by the time you shoot 2 mags, 3 mags, you need to set the gun down and let it cool off. And with that thing, you could just go for a while. I mean, yeah, honestly, it's pretty heavy. It's not practical to carry that thing around, but how cool, right? Anyway, that's a wrap for day 1, the Supplier Showcase, SHOT Show 2026. Stay tuned tomorrow for more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.